Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Friday, the 17th of April, and today we're gonna see where we're gapping because overnight we've had that news with the Gilead saying that they have positively tested the drug and the potential remedy for the coronavirus. And the futures gapped to around 2880, 2870 area. So let's take a look at the SPX, the index. So basically we're gapping right into resistance. We're already into resistance zone between the fib zones in the 50 and the 61.8. But at the moment we can probably test the higher top of the Bollingers again, and at the same time see if we get some sellers in the 50 moving average zone. So far we also have that resistance that might be flipped or that might work. So basically we're gonna open around 60s, yeah, so somewhere here. We closed that gap that is here between 2820 and 2880s. That also might bring some sellers as well. And in the pre-market we do see that Nasdaq and the X is lagging already. So yesterday we have seen that Amazon already is stopping slowly. We have that big channel. Netflix just was sold at the end of the day. We have Baba was pretty good. I'm talking about the FANG stocks, so basically Facebook, which is already showing relative weakness, and this is one of the short ideas we're gonna have here. Apple, Netflix, Amazon, and Google. Google as well, same situation, but it's showing more lag here. At the moment trading around 1280, which is around here. So we have a lot of high beta stocks aligning in the same setup. And we already saw that this morning Nasdaq is showing less growth than S&P 500. Apart from the short Facebook idea, we have the sectors like financials are already weaker, but of course it's gapping with the whole market. SMH was showing was okay, but XLV, the bias, and the healthcare IBB are the strongest versus the 52-week highs. We still trying to see if we get a decent short in Tesla. As you know from the chatroom discussion, I've said that I was shorting on a Wednesday, but I covered yesterday at the pre-market, actually in the market hours at the break-even. Now we're gapping higher to around 770s, which is right here. Let's see if this resistance will hold, because we still have room to a higher price around 800, but the target of the Goldman upgrade for Tesla was around 780s, if I don't mistake. So this might be an area where the market will be hard, and Tesla might show up some resistance as well. And despite the fact that Apple is trading on 200 and the 50s, it does show some kind of a lag on the last few days versus the market. And current prices, where to go? We're gonna open at 286, somewhere here. Yeah, pretty much where we closed yesterday. And that bar, like that hanging man bar, and we have like two tops aligning at 288.50s. That does show some resistance at the moment. So if the market will try to stall, technology stocks like Apple and Facebook might be an option. Tesla only if it shows something interesting on 1 hour or 30-minute charts. Apart from this, we'll be watching some gappers like NOW, MasterCard, and LUV. TDoc, it's kind of a gapping under yesterday's low, but 160. But it's trading at the moment around 167, so not sure it will exactly get there. That's it for today. Really chill day for the current session. If you don't have any positions, it's hard to start ones. Also take a note that we are trading on a Friday, that we have options expiring, that we might have more earnings coming next week. So even if you don't get any position today, you still have time, and we have plenty of time till mid-May to set up 2, 3, 4, 5 trades with very nice risk reward and make some money. I wish you a good, happy weekend, and see you in the chat room.